Peachy, Clover here, and today I am very excited because we are going to make more slime. I mean, look at these ingredients. What else could I be making? So this slime recipe has no glue and no borax. How cool is that? So here are the ingredients that you're going to need, which is contact solution, and I've used this before. You need a little bit of baking soda, and you need a face peel mask. What you're looking for specifically is this ingredient right here called polyvinyl alcohol. For any DIY, I always tell you guys to ask your parents for permission and for approval of everything you're doing. Alright? Alright. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is pour a little bit of our mask. And this mask smells so good. Alright, I think we got enough. So now we'll leave a little teaspoon of baking soda. So take about this much. And now we're going to mix all of this together. Alright, so now we're going to add our contact solution, and that is just going to put everything together and make everything stick and work. So just add as much as you need. Start with a tablespoon and just make your way out till your slime is no longer sticking to the sides of the bowl. Guys, look at that. Feels quite sticky though. I was gonna put some pom-poms in there, but it's not clear enough, so they're not gonna show up. Instead, I'm just gonna use my beads. Yay! It looks like something that would come out of a monster. Ooh. Look at this slime. Wow, it's really stretchy. Look at the beads. Some beads are falling, but that's like totally normal. I'd rather have that instead of having glitter all over me. It looks so cool. Voila! It looks like a little unicorn poop. Yay! Well, should we make another color? Let's make another one. So let's do it again. Let's take our mask, pour a lot of it in, or as big as you want to make your ball, your little slime ball. Guys, I swear that was not me. A little bit of baking soda. Let me add some food color, 2 drops of blue, and see what happens. Now let's add our contact solution. Just mix it up little by little till everything comes together like so. I think it's ready for me. Ooh, guys, this is like the coolest slime I've ever made. This is awesome. It feels so cool. And it's so stretchy. So here it is, guys, my 2 slime balls. Now if I take a piece of this and I mix it with the blue, what will happen? Wow, that's so cool. This is such a cool color. Alright guys, so there you go. This is another recipe to make more slime. If you love slime videos like me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Hi friends! Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and press that subscribe button down below. It is totally free and you'll know whenever I post a new video. Thank you again for watching. Be awesome to somebody, be awesome to yourself, and have fun! See you all later. Bye!